A walk to remember the power of presence. Did you know that a simple walk can transform your management style? It sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that some of the most successful leaders swear by this practice? They call it management by walking around, or MBWA for short. In this essay, we'll unlock the power of MBWA together. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and why it matters. Get ready to discover a powerful approach that can boost morale, improve communication, and drive results. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Decoding MBWA more than just a stroll. MBWA is more than just wandering around the office. It's a strategic approach to leadership. It's a deliberate and purposeful way to connect with your team, fostering trust and transparency. Imagine yourself stepping out of your office, leaving the spreadsheets and emails behind, and immersing yourself in the daily activities of your team. You're walking through the workplace not to supervise, but to engage, to understand their challenges, and celebrate their successes. You stop and chat with employees at all levels, from interns to senior staff. You ask questions, listen actively, and observe the work environment firsthand, gaining valuable insights. You're present, approachable, and genuinely interested in what your team has to say, showing that their input matters. Think of it as building a bridge between management and employees, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. It's about breaking down silos, fostering open communication, and creating a more collaborative and engaged workforce where everyone feels valued and heard. MBWA in action, from the factory floor to the boardroom. Management by walking around, or MBWA, is a timeless strategy that bridges the gap between leadership and the workforce. Now, let's bring MBWA to life with some practical examples. This approach is not just a theory but a practice that can transform workplaces. Imagine a factory floor. A manager walks the production line, talking to operators, asking about their challenges, and observing the manufacturing process. This hands on involvement helps in understanding the ground realities. This simple act can uncover bottlenecks, identify improvement opportunities, and show employees that their work matters. It builds a sense of belonging and accountability among the team. Now, picture a bustling tech startup. The CEO takes time each day to walk around the office, chatting with developers, designers, and marketers. This daily interaction keeps the pulse of the organization. They ask about projects, offer support, and gather valuable feedback. This feedback loop is crucial for continuous improvement and innovation. This fosters a culture of transparency, collaboration, and innovation. Employees feel heard and valued, which boosts morale and productivity. These are just a few examples of how MBWA can be applied in different work environments. Whether in a factory or a tech startup, the principles remain the same. The key is to tailor the approach to your specific context and make it a regular part of your management routine. Consistency and genuine interest are what make MBWA effective. Section 4, Reaping the Rewards. Why MBWA matters. Why is MBWA so powerful? What makes it stand out as a management practice? Because it addresses a fundamental human need, the need to feel seen, heard, and valued. This is crucial in any workplace setting. When leaders make an effort to connect with their team members on a personal level, it can have a profound impact on morale, engagement, and performance. This connection fosters trust and mutual respect. By walking around and engaging with employees, leaders gain valuable insights into the day to day realities of their work. They see firsthand the challenges and successes their team experiences. They can identify and address issues before they escalate, foster sense of ownership and accountability, and create a more positive and productive work environment. This proactive approach can prevent many potential problems. The benefits of MBWA are numerous and far reaching: increased employee engagement, improved communication, enhanced problem solving, and a stronger sense of community are just a few of the positive outcomes you can expect to see. These benefits contribute to a thriving and dynamic workplace. Section 5, Join the movement. Your turn to walk the talk. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to unlock the power of MBWA in your own workplace? Start by scheduling time for regular walkabouts. Make it a habit to step out of your office and connect with your team. Ask questions, listen attentively, and be present in the moment. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your team and your organization as a whole. What are your thoughts on MBWA? Have you experienced its benefits firsthand? Share your insights and experiences in the comments below.